Who are you and what are you studying in Turkey?
I'm Eren Çolak and I'm studying computer engineering at Middle East Technical University.
Why did you decide to do an internship in Germany?
Because I wanted to explore a new country and have a different life and work experience.
What are your tasks and projects at ZEKI?
I have worked with simultaneous localization and mapping with Bearcar, which is a four-wheeled little robot. We constructed the map of the lab and autonomously navigated the Bearcar. Now I'm working on tuning the navigation parameters for the delivery robot.
What do you like the most about your work here?
I really like the opportunity to work with various sensors and hardwares such as tracking camera, depth cameras, and 2D and 3D leaders and other cool stuff. And I also like flexible working hours here.
What have you learned so far, or what new skills have you acquired?
I have become really familiar with ROS, which stands for Robot Operating System, and learned a lot about autonomous driving concepts.
How do the university in Turkey and Germany differ?
As I did not take any course at the TU Berlin, I have no information about university education in Germany, but one thing I noticed is that in Germany the university buildings are on the streets, unlike in Turkey, so I would say the campus life is better in Turkey.
What did you find better or more interesting in Germany?
City planning and public transportation system are much better than in Turkey. There are no traffic or parking problems, and one thing that surprised me was that most shops or restaurants close very early compared to Turkey.
Why should other students do an internship at ZEKI?
Doing an internship at ZEKI offers you to work on great projects and gain experience about both theoretical and practical knowledge. During my internship, I got the chance to work on various hardwares, develop softwares, and also improve my theoretical knowledge about autonomous driving. So ZEKI is a great place to work on interesting projects.
What would you recommend to future interns to get the most out of their internship?
I would recommend them to be open what tasks or topics they're interested in. Also, they should travel and enjoy Berlin as much as possible.
Thank you.